This is going to be fun because today I get to show you something that I've been very excited about. One of my favorite photography industry companies that has come to all the industry over the past few years, they released a product that I have been so excited about. I am a big fan of Magmod, and well, now we've got the Magmod Softbox. This is not that product. This is the bag that the product is sitting in. I think we're gonna have to go wide on this one. You can see it actually fits right in the frame. It is, it's not too big. It's a small softbox. It's a small softbox. And, but what's really nice is this case is pretty good fabric. It is built very well. It is padded on both sides. You can actually open it up from both sides. Now I'm going to open it up from this side and just show you what's going on here first. On this side, we've got a bunch of pockets. Inside here is actually the I forgot what they called it. That's what this is. Also in here, but on the other end, which I will have to get to from the other side, is the diffusion screen, but it's so far down there I can't get my hand all the way through, so I'll have to do it from the other side. These pockets right here are actually made for your little flashes. They're actually not deep. They stop right about there. They stop about here. They're actually made to slip in your flashes because most of the time your Magmod is being used on your small little strobes. For example, Magmod on a Nikon SB800 slipped right into there. So you can hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 flashes all right in this case, along with your along with the softbox, along with the stuff to go with the softbox, and what's in here? Inside of here, I am actually storing these. These are gels that are actually to be used inside of the softbox, and they're nicely labeled. We've got your magenta, your purple, your green, kind of like Hulk, your blue, your red, orange, yellow, and my daughter's favorite, teal, what she likes to call it mint blue. What's really cool about these gels is now, by the way, these are not color correcting gels, these are color effect gels. The nice thing about this is I can take these and use a white backdrop and make the white backdrop whatever color I want, or I can add, I can basically use a softbox and light something and change the color because of these. On this side is the softbox. Now, I'm gonna pull it out, and you can see right here is a softbox. We'll get back to that in a second. Right here is a diffusion screen. So this is the softbox. This is an octabox. It's a 24-inch octabox. And what you'll notice is on the back side are a bunch of giant magnets. Now, I opted to get the Magbox to fit my Godox lights. It's a Bowen's mount, and I'll show you that in a second. But you can also opt to get this so that it actually holds your small strobes, and they did it in a beautiful way. Here's a clip from that.
You just take these and you can stick them right into the back of the mag ring. Check that out. Now watch, I can secure these, so now that those flashes aren't gonna go anywhere. So not only are the magnets holding them in place, but also these latch doors are basically holding them secure.
This is the inside of the Magbox, and all you have to do to open it up is push. Now it is set to go. I can take the diffusion screen and put it on top of the octabox and then go and just start shooting. Before that, I have one more thing to show you, and then I'll put it on a light stand. Remember this? Remember this gel? Well, this gel would actually slip in like so, right in front of the light, which means no light can get past here that is not already gelled. The gel's not out here, it's not on the bulb itself, it fits perfectly in this little groove, and that's it. Now, when it's on a light, and when you've got the diffusion screen in front, you might be wondering, how do you get to the gel? Well, that's what that zipper is for. You basically unzip, and then you stick your hand through, and you just take off the gel and take it out. Or if you want to put it back in, put your hand through and just snap it right back in place. That simple. One thing that Magmod is very good at is making products simple. And when you're all done, all you have to do is put your hand in there and pull the little tabs, and then you can put it right back in the bag. Now, the one thing I noticed is that the softbox, it'll get softer over time. It's very rigid right now. It's kind of tough. So getting it in the bag is kind of a hassle. But once you find the right place, it goes in perfectly. And again, once it gets softer, once this material softens up a bit after use, it'll fit much easier. Let's put it on a light, and to do that, I'm gonna need a light stand. Good thing I got one right here. This is the Godox light that has a Bowens mount. If you'd like to learn more about this light, just click on that card right above and you can see my video about it. So how do I get that Magbox onto this light? That's where this comes in handy. This is the Magbox Speed Ring adapter. Let's open it up and put it on. This is nice metal. It's not plastic. This part is plastic, the little, the little clip, but everything else is metal. Pretty heavy duty. I'm impressed. All right, let's slip it on. The Bowens mount is on my Godox strobe. You can see there's this little lever here. All this does is it's a little piece of plastic that pushes the softbox away from the mount, the speed ring, so that you can remove it. Because you've got these heavy duty magnets on a thick piece of metal. You need something to help separate, and so you can get something to grab and pull it and whatnot. Listen to the sound when I put the Magmod on the speed ring. Sounds secure, doesn't it? It's not going anywhere. Now, to open it up, like I said, you just push. And now I have a softbox almost ready to go. Now, because this is a Magmod, around the ring are actually magnets. The magnets are, and there's little pieces of metal in the fabric here. Basically, the magnets hold this in front. The magnets are also really nice because it makes it so you don't have to worry about holding one end while you put the other end on. It just stays. Okay, so as you can see, it is on. I've got the modeling light on right now from the Godox light. The modeling light in here is an LED, which is really nice. So let's put a gel in so you can see what happens when I slide a gel in here. Pick a color, any color. Let's go with my daughter's favorite, mint blue, also known as teal. As you can see, the light is now blue. All I do is slip in the colored gel, and it's done. I don't know if you'll be able to tell a difference when I put this in front in the video, but I'm gonna put it in front so you can have a look. And now we can put this right back in front. So I made a mistake. I was incorrect about the focus diffuser. I called it a beamer. Basically, the focus diffuser is that clear, that sort of translucent filter that could go over the Magbox. So it came with two. It came with the regular white diffusion screen and then the focus diffuser. The focus diffuser is meant to be a replacement of the white diffusion screen if you want. Basically, what Magmod is saying is when you use that, and only that, you're getting 2 more stops of light out of the Magbox, which makes it the brightest softbox around because you can just add this and now your light is 2 stops brighter, which means you can lower the output of your light, get faster recycle times, potentially lower your ISO if you need to, and things like that. So that's what that's for. I was incorrect. You can put the white diffusion over on top of it if you want to, but you really don't need to. You just put the focus diffusion and that's it, or you put the white diffusion screen and that's it. But let's get back to this. That's the Magbox. Now I can't wait to put it to use. It's just a softbox, so there's no point in me showing you examples of the photos of with and without the softbox, but because it's just a softbox. But it's just the ease of the softbox is what I think is so amazing. The ease of use and the simplicity. Magnets. The fact that Magmod, they're magnet mod. The fact that Magmod uses magnets for everything is brilliant because it really has simplified things. In fact, look at what Profoto and Godox have done with their recent lights that they've come out with that also have magnet-based modifiers. They didn't create that. They got that idea from Magmod. So Magmod has created a brand new market in the photo industry, a brand new niche in the photo industry that a lot of these lighting companies are going with. And it's because of them. So more innovation. I can't wait to see what else is coming from Magmod in the future. Gotta love it when you put a light behind you and you have light in the front. It's the separation. I